so there you go, live from the top end. Personal records, everybody's falling. We're still 800 feet under the density altitude. Great air, great.
It's the producer.
What's going on, YouTubers? What's going on, Gunners?
In 1 mile, make a U-turn.
That's where we're going. We are in Texas. I see some cars there. We are in Texas Motorplex. It's Saturday. The event is tomorrow, but we're trying to see if we can get, some kind of data for Jamie to look at. So, yeah, let's see if we can put up a number outside of the event. Enjoy the video. Ken, thank you.
I need to get some cash.
Hang on 1 second.
You got debit.
No, you got debit though.
I got debit. No, we need cash up here.
No, you don't. You can use debit.
Oh yeah? Okay.
All right, you're gonna check in with the white trailer with the green flags, okay?
White trail, go straight? All right.
You can go ahead and park your trailer and truck, and then you're gonna walk over to the white trailer with the green flags, okay?
All right. Right now we're at Texas Motorplex Speedway. It's a Saturday. We swapped out oil. We drained the M1 that we keep in there as a safety. We got the Nitro 50 in, double checking the tire pressure. What else did we do? Charged up the battery. We went and teched already. All our safety is there. And now we're gonna go try to chase this 8, try to be the first 1999. Try to be the first 99 millimeter crank in the 8s, man. I think we can do it today here in Texas. Heading up to the lanes. Those lanes, I'll be back. So we had a huge bog at the first pass. I mean, huge. It almost shut off in first gear. We managed to go 938 at 153. The mile an hour is huge because we switched the gearing up. The 60 foot was awful. It was a 161 because of the bog. So now I just went into the ECU. I put it up 400 more RPMs, and hopefully we can get it to leave and go the 8.